Okay, so in this video I'll show you guys how to fix this site can't be reached on Linkvertise. This usually happens when when you're using Google Chrome or any other website. So in this video I'll show you guys how to fix it for completely free and easy. So first thing you want to do is just go to your extension and make sure you have a VPN downloaded. My VPN is the free VPN. It's really easy and fast to use, where you can use on any country. So once you have this VPN downloaded, it's called a free VPN for Chrome. So just go to the website. It's called a VPN. Then just go to the website or Google Chrome and download it. Once you have it downloaded, just click on this. And what you want to do is just change this to like anywhere else outside of the United States. I can change it to Russia or like any other country. Once you have another country selected, all you have to do is just click connect. Once it's connected, you should be able to use Linkvertise. If this video helped, be sure to subscribe and like.